Hey there. Locked out of your American Express online account? Resetting your password is a quick, secure process to get you back in control. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to reset it. On the Amex login page, click the Forgot User ID or Password link. You'll be asked to verify your identity using your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your zip code. Once verified, you can create a new, strong password. You'll also have the option to update your security questions. My crucial pro tip? Use a unique password. Never reuse a password from another site. Consider using a password manager to generate and store a long, complex password exclusively for your Amex account. This is your first line of defense. Just like that, you regain access while keeping your financial data secure. Do you use a password manager, or do you have another method for remembering secure passwords? Share your best practice in the comments. For more essential tech fixes, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.